YouTube channel. And if you aren't subscribed, please go down there and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Hit the thumbs up or the thumbs down. Leave comments. Whichever one you do, it's appreciated. So, today's video is going to be, I am going to do some welding on my 90 C4 Corvette. If you're not familiar with it, I'll leave a link up there somewhere. And this has an OBX stainless steel exhaust, has an X pipe. It's 304 stainless all the way up to the headers, and uses band clamps that aren't very good. This system always seems to shift no matter what I do. So today I am going to see if I can get a good shot under here. Try and get under here and weld this sucker up. Let's see, get a better view here. There we go. That might work. Sorry about that, but I'm still learning this this gyro thing here. But anyway, I'm gonna spot weld, get under here and spot weld the where all the band clamps are. And I'm considering taking the whole thing off after I get spot weld. That'd probably be the best thing to do, and then just completely weld it up. I think I might just spot weld it about 4 or 5 places, and just to make sure that it doesn't shift on me like it keeps doing, and see how that holds up. And if that holds up, I'll leave it that way. If not, then I'll end up having to take it off and completely off and completely weld the slip joints that are on here. So let's get up front. There, ready? Let's see. As you can see, I got my little Eastwood MIG 135. I got Trimix. And I got 308L wire in it. That's what you use when you weld 304 stainless. And it's better to use a TIG, but I don't have a TIG welder. And these are slip joints, so I can get away with the MIG welding with no problem. I've also MIG welded butt joints on exhaust with no problem either. So that being said, it isn't as nice looking as TIG, but it's underneath the car and you can't see it, so I ain't too worried about it. Another thing is, when welding on any modern car, I totally disconnect the battery, totally disconnected the ECM. I also went on 90 Corvettes and most C4s, all the ones that have the ABS. They have the ABS located in that compartment down there behind the driver's seat, and see, hopefully you can see that. And I totally disconnected the ECM from that in order to protect it from any power surges from the welder. If it wasn't so difficult to get to the CCM and whatnot underneath the like the airbag and all that, computers for that, they're all buried underneath the dash. It was so difficult, I play it safe to disconnect them too. But that's what I got disconnected. Maybe I should disconnect that alternator too, just to protect that. Wouldn't hurt, isn't hard. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get welding. welds on the back of the exhaust underneath the differential. Those weren't too difficult. I mean, they're not great looking welds, but they came out pretty decent as far as penetration and no burn through. Up here where I coated these the two pipes that come off of the headers, I'll post a link somewhere up there to where when I coated them. I cleaned them up as best I can, but the coating's still causing problems, so I need to clean that up a lot more and do some grinding and some welding. I may just go ahead and take this whole thing off. That'd probably be the smart thing to do. I do plan on, in the wintertime, taking the headers off and have them recoat. So I might just leave it the way it is for now, as long as it holds. As long as it holds good for the summer, for the season, and then leave it for the next year. It's a pain in the ass getting those, even though they're not that difficult, it's just a pain in the ass. I'm getting old and grumpy, I guess. That's why, that's probably more the reason why it's a pain in the ass than anything. I don't know, maybe I'll go ahead and take them off anyway. We'll see. Take a break here and we'll see. Okay, I ended up taking the whole exhaust off. Well, the mufflers I'm leaving hanging, just letting them hang. I ended up taking them off. I had such a difficult time welding, spot welding, even on these coated pipes, that, let's see if I get a better view, these coated pipes, that I ended up taking it off. Have to clean them really good, because this stuff, even with an abrasive wheel like this, this abrasive wheel actually won't take this coating off. I actually have to use a grinding wheel or a grinding disc or a hard file to get it off. So taking it off, that's just polishing it. That's how tough that is where it adhered properly. That stuff stays on really good, but I'm not a professional welder. I consider myself, I'm self-taught, and I'm MIG welding, not TIG welding. That being said, I'm real, for me, I'm happy with these welds. Maybe one day I'll get together with a professional welder and have him show me how to properly weld, but until then, this is what I got to do. I got to go onto the rear. Accidentally, when I was under the car, this is the side that faces up towards the floor. When I was welding these, I accidentally welded the band clamps to it, so I got to grind that, flip this over, grind that away, get the band clamps off, get it cleaned up, and get a proper weld on there. And then I'll throw it back up under there. Okay, the exhaust is back in. Let me see if I can get a better shot of that. Hopefully everybody can see that good. Yeah, it looks like it's sitting in there pretty nice. And hopefully it'll stay that way. The real test will when I get it back down on the road. And get it back on the road and get this thing bouncing up and down the road real good. That's the real test, is to get it on the road there. Get it bouncing up and down the road, and hopefully it'll work out real good. Anyway, for my next video, I will be leaving this up on the jack stands. I'll take these rear wheels off. I still need to flush the rear brakes, and I want to take these inner fender wells out, and then I'm going to spray the inside with sound deadening undercoating, and do any corrosion maintenance I need to do while I'm under there. So hopefully that'll turn out. I'll do another video on that, I guess. So thanks for watching, and please watch my other videos. Hit the subscribe and notification bell if you want to. Leave comments if you want to. Hit the thumbs up or the thumbs down if you want to. And everybody have a nice day, and God bless.